ball. You know
Now
you can
this is
you know,
my baby dad over here trying to tell me about this
You know you can ball like an
membership or
NBA
whatever.
player.
So we're gonna listen and see what he's talking about.
Now you know you can ball like an NBA player when you see a nigga with one of these AAU certificates.
AAU.
AAU, the best of the best. That's the best.
The best of the best.
That's like a McDonald's All-American right there, like LeBron James. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Like so many get these. Take a look. Take a good look. Boshan T. Dennis.
Okay.
AAU basketball.
Right, we got him. AAU basketball. He said like 5 times already.
You know a nigga can ball when he got one of these right here.
One of these, right.
Now you know people got these? Only a few.
How many?
Only a few out of Iowa. It's
Right.
straight like that. You think I'm playing?
Right.
Niggas like in high school don't even got this.
Cool.
Because they ain't balling like this.
Right.
And you know you balling like Kobe when you got that on deck.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? That right there.
It's his AAU membership.
Membership.
Right. Okay. We got it. We're done.